Hey, it's Vitaly, and in today's short video, I'll be talking to you about the many benefits of promoting low-ticket items as an affiliate marketer. Low-ticket affiliate marketing is basically the process of you promoting cheap products that pay you very small commissions. And at first, it may sound like it's a really bad deal. Like, why would you want to make very small commissions when you could potentially promote something more expensive? But there's actually a lot of benefits to it. And I actually have a check to share with you that I recently got from Amazon by promoting a whole bunch of outdoorsy products that are in the outdoors niche. And here's actually some of those commissions. It comes mainly from my other YouTube channel that I run, where I promote products like hiking poles, trail running shoes, and stuff like that. And I really don't get paid a lot for that, but they add up, and that's one of the many keys that you need to understand about why it's actually beneficial and even better to promote low-ticket items versus higher ones. I'll talk about what I did to do this, to get to this point, and I'll share all of the details of that in just a moment. But before I do, if you're new to my channel, my name is Vitaly, and what I do on this channel is cover the subject of affiliate marketing and the greater making money online subjects. And if you're someone that's struggling or new to this kind of stuff, you're welcome to check out my videos, ask me questions, and there is also a free resource underneath this video in the description and pinned comment, which you can check out, which will help you get started with all of this and really build a potentially good business out of it, which is something that I do for a living. Like, besides the sales that I was showing you on the check, I actually do pretty well in this business, and here's some of my more larger income reports. But I am going to be scaling what I'm going to be talking about today, because these low ticket commissions can really add up to big money over time if you do it correctly. So let me get back to that subject right now and explain to you what the main things to understand behind it are. So in affiliate marketing, there's typically different classifications of the types of commissions that you can earn. There's low ticket commissions where you basically make perhaps a few pennies, less than $1 to like $5 to $10. There's medium ticket commissions where you can make like $20, $30, $50 per sale. And then there's high ticket commissions where you can make hundreds, potentially even thousands of dollars per sale. And obviously, when you look at that kind of structure, obviously, most people, 11 out of 10 people would say, of course I'd want to make more money and make like a $500 sale off an affiliate product versus, let's say, $1 or $2. But what a lot of people don't explain to you about this industry is that it's a lot harder to promote medium and high ticket items versus low ticket ones. And this is because people simply just can't afford it. The more expensive a product is, the harder it is to promote, and the less sales for that you'll make. Not to say that you can't do it and that you shouldn't. I urge you to, explore this kind of stuff. But a lot of people typically forget or completely miss the mark when it comes to the fact that there's tons of popular products that people buy in masses that you can promote as an affiliate. And small ticket commissions, even a $1 commission, can quickly add up to $5 to $10 to $50 to $100 every single month. And if you can keep scaling that, in other words, making more reviews for similar products, or maybe promoting the same product on a blog, on a Pinterest page, on YouTube, or something like that, multiplying this can actually potentially equal a good monthly income coming in. So for example, on this one, like I said before, I think I mentioned it before, I'm promoting like trail running shoes over here, these hiking poles, and I'm not like these waterproof socks, a trail bag that I run with, and I make very small commissions for this. But here's a couple of benefits. Again, it adds up, because these videos, I just created them once and now they're working for me. So they're accumulating views and a trickle of sales coming in the long run. And the more of these that I make, the more that income expands. And another thing to note is that when people click on my affiliate links on YouTube here and they don't buy it, there's also a 24-hour cookie window where if they keep browsing Amazon and they buy something else, I still get a commission for that, which is why some of the sales over here are for things that I'm not even promoting. So that's another huge benefit. Now, another thing that you should also understand is that a great way to apply what I'm teaching you here is that there's a very simple way that I would recommend that you go about this. Number one, choose something that you really love, a subject, and then find products to promote in that niche. So in my particular case, I love outdoorsy stuff. So guess what? I can promote anything under the sun that's involved in outdoorsy stuff. Camping gear, trail running shoes, hiking shoes, trekking poles, whatever. You get where I'm going with this. And you can actually check on Amazon in this case what's really popular and how many of these products people are buying. So let's see, trekking poles, and I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. So what I'm doing over here is I'm looking at, these are also known as hiking poles. You'll notice that under the stars it says 2K bought in past months. So over 2,000 plus people bought this product. That means it's popular, and that means people are buying this stuff. So why wouldn't you want to basically jump on board this and promote it, which is actually what I did over here, where these are the same trekking poles and I promote them. Guess what? Even if you make 5 of these sales every single month and you make more reviews of this and you promote other stuff like these trekking poles, some other trekking poles or something like that, you can potentially start to turn very low ticket commissions into many low ticket commissions, and many low ticket commissions can potentially equate to a good amount. So this check that I was showing you earlier in the video, this is from me doing very little work promoting this kind of stuff. But what would happen if I improved my work ethic here and doubled my efforts, tripled, quadrupled, quintupled, 10x my efforts here? I could potentially make 10 times as much as that. And why wouldn't I want to do something like that? And so this is really the main point that I'm trying to get across here, is that there's a lot of potential in the low ticket affiliate marketing realm, which you should definitely not neglect if you're serious about getting involved in this business. And I hope I drove that point clear in today's short video. If you have any questions about that sort of stuff, feel free to comment below. I'm happy to answer your questions. And once again, if you are new or struggling in affiliate marketing, check out the free resource below that'll help you get started in that and really follow in my footsteps to potentially doing this passively like I do and have been for 10+ years now. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.